Good morning, boys and girls, and happy first day of spring. Today is our very first day of spring, and I'm so excited. We're going to see some new weather patterns in spring. We're going to see the sun shining. We're going to see some flowers growing, some trees blooming, all these different fun things that happen in springtime. Now, the weather in spring can be sunny, it can be cloudy, but we often see a lot of rain in spring. And we are going to read this book called It's Raining, It's Pouring. If you have heard the song It's Raining, It's Pouring, touch your nose right now. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He jumped out of bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. We all know that fun song. Now, this book is a little bit different. This old man is snoring throughout all the different seasons. Now think in your brain, what were our different seasons that we've learned about? There's 4 of them. They are winter, spring, summer, and fall. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Those are our 4 different seasons that we experience in one year. And in those seasons, there are all different kinds of weather. So, we're going to read to find out what happens with this old man in all of those different seasons. It's Raining, It's Pouring by Ken Eagle, illustrated by Rob Gilbert. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Oof, look at all that rain. They must be in springtime. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Weather's changing a little bit. It's very windy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars. But of course, that wasn't easy. I bet you guys know what season this is. Take a look at the weather. It's snowing. It must be winter. It's snowing, it's blowing. The old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch. Every part of him was showing. Oh my goodness. Take a look at those Christmas cookies. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Wonder what season this could be. The sun is shining. I don't see any clouds. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Oh, goodness. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. Look at all those puddles on the ground. Wonder what had just happened. Must have rained. He's got a scarf on. It must be a little chilly. Maybe it's fall. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh! Did he look silly? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. They're having a picnic. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Oh, that's silly. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. The end. All right, my friends. Now, since today is our very first day of spring, I want you to see if you can go outside with someone in your house and see if you can find some signs of spring. Maybe you could find some flowers growing, some trees blooming, some green grass. maybe, just maybe, you could see it raining outside, just like it did in this book. It's raining, it's pouring. All right, my friends, I'm going to look for some more books to read to you guys. I'm so excited. I'll see you very soon. Bye.